If you're anything like me, I know that a big part of planning and packing for a cruise is choosing your cruise outfits. I'm always on the lookout for cute, comfortable, and affordable cruise wear. And in this video, I'm going to share with you 25 of my favorite Amazon cruise finds, including dresses, cover-ups, and accessories. Hi there, I'm Ilana from the website lifewellcruise.com. Welcome back to my channel. Now, I'm often asked, where do I get my cruise outfits and my cruise dresses? And my not so secret is many of them are actually from Amazon. So in this video, I'm going to share with you like 25 of my favorites, and I'm also going to include a couple of pairs of shoes and some other accessories that I know a lot of people do ask me for. Now, I hope that you do enjoy this video. Now, personally, I love watching cruise outfit and Amazon videos, so I hope that you do like this too. Now, before I get started, I did want to mention two things. Firstly, all of the items that I am going to show you in today's video will be linked down below in the description of this video. Now, all of the links are affiliate links, which means that I do make a small commission should you choose to use any of the links to make any of your purchases on Amazon. And secondly, if you like this video, if you find it helpful, informative, or enjoyable in any way, then please do give this video a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Let's get started. So the first dress I'm showing you is actually a new Amazon find. This is a coral off the shoulder dress. I absolutely loved this dress. Very comfortable beach style maxi dress. Now, I think this is great on a cruise, but it's also really good if you're going on a beach vacation, or even if you're wearing it to dinner in the summertime, well, or even during the day. Now, during my last cruise and vacation in Florida, I did take a little bit of B-roll, so I will show you that throughout this video, and I will include some pictures of me in many of the dresses on recent cruises. Now, I like this dress so much that I actually purchased it in another color or pattern, if you will. Now, this dress has a floral pattern. It turned out that I did need a red colored dress for my recent Virgin cruise, and what I decided to do was wear this red floral dress for the evening. Now, the next dress is an absolutely beautiful long white spaghetti strap beach dress. I absolutely love this dress. Unfortunately, I haven't had a chance to wear it yet on a cruise, but hopefully I will coming soon this summer. Now, while I absolutely love this dress in white, it's available also with some pretty floral patterns, and I think it really is a perfect dress for this summer. Next up, we have the dress that I am wearing. So it is a floral, I guess about a knee-length ruffle dress. I just find this dress so comfortable. It is really easy to pack and it does not wrinkle. Now, I actually purchased it in another color, so I'm going to show it to you in this video. So basically white sort of floral pattern. I loved it so much that I purchased it in this blue as well. Now, by the way, not all of the dresses that I'm going to show you in this video are sleeveless, but many of them are. I happen to like that style for myself, and I tend to get hot, especially on cruises. So what I do is I usually do keep a little cardigan or a crocheted shawl. So that's something that you might want to do as well if you still want to wear these sleeveless styles, but you don't always want to bare your arms. Now, I recently purchased this blue and white long beach dress. Oh my goodness, it was so much prettier than I thought it was going to be. I took a chance because there weren't a lot of reviews. I absolutely love this dress, and I do think that it looks way more expensive than it is on Amazon. Now, I know when it comes to cruise embarkation day, many of us think, what should I wear as my embarkation day outfit? Well, I managed to find this very pretty white dress, also very comfortable. What I really liked about it is the fact that it really doesn't need to be ironed. So I did get it in white, and I also ordered it more recently in black. Now, this short floral dress is really lightweight, so very easy to pack. And what I really liked about it is that you can wear it during the day. You can keep it very casual with a pair of flats or even a low sandal, and then you can dress it up a little bit more in the evening. You can go to dinner, and you can pair it, if you like, with a little cardigan to cover your shoulders. Now, I have a hard time finding short sleeve dresses that I really like, but I absolutely loved this polka dot wrap dress. I think it really is very flattering on many of our shapes, and it definitely was one of my favorite new finds. Now, this blue crisscross dress is a dress that I actually wore off the cruise ship when I was in Roatan. It was lightweight, it has pockets. It was a nice maxi dress that could even be worn over a bathing suit, and I think you could wear it during the day and for the evening on a cruise as well. And honestly, when I did share it on Facebook and on Instagram, it was probably one of the most commented on photos where people did really want to know, where did you get that dress? Now, something super casual is this red boho style dress. Now, many of you might recognize this dress. I do have the same dress in another color. I have to say, I still just really love this blue one, but this red one was super comfortable and was great to have as well. Now, this blue and white short sleeve dress, I am showing it to you here because I know a lot of people are going to like it. To be honest, I did feel that for myself, for my own body type, it just didn't seem to suit me very well, but I know I've seen it on other people and it really is very flattering. For reference, I am 5'2" and about 135 pounds. Now, I really am a fan of sundresses, and it turns out I'm a fan of the color blue as well. So I got this really nice, I guess it's a dark teal sundress, and this was really nice for my time in Florida and of course on my cruise as well. Now, I mentioned at the beginning of this video that this was mostly going to be cruise dresses. However, I did find what I think is the absolute perfect sleeveless jumpsuit or romper. I did get it in black, however, it is available in other colors as well. I think it can be great worn during the day with a pair of flats or even a pair of wedges, and you could wear it at night to the main dining room or to any of the specialty restaurants or even to one of the clubs. You could just dress it up a little bit with a handbag and some jewelry. Now, this 3/4 sleeve length dress is one of my absolute all-time favorites. I'm going to be wearing it on my upcoming Alaska cruise. It is a faux wrap style dress, so it really is very figure flattering, I think, in any size that we are. And I did notice that it is available in sizes small all the way through plus sizes. Now, this keyhole style dress was definitely one of my favorites. I actually had to stop myself from wearing it on my last cruise because I got a few new things, but I absolutely love this dress. I know that I'm going to be living in it this summer. Now, I absolutely love the bright fabric of this floral halter style dress. I love the neckline. It is really very flattering. It is a maxi dress, so it really is quite long. Something that I should mention is the back is really very open, so that is something you should know. And what really works for this, I know a lot of people ask me sometimes about strapless bras, but some of those sticky bras, basically that's what really works well for this style of dress. Now, what I will do is I will put a strapless bra as well as those sticky bra kind of things. I will put that linked as well down in the description below along with the dresses. Now, a style that's trending right now are sundresses with these very pretty feminine straps. So you can just tie a little bow up on your shoulder, or something that I did see, it was a little bit of a hack when it came to this style of dress, is that you can actually tuck the straps in the back, so the back ones, and then you can tie just the two straps in the front. You can tie them around your neck and it will make it a halter style dress for a completely different look. Now, this sleeveless floral maxi dress is absolutely one of my favorites. I was able to wear it when we did go on an excursion. We went to St. Thomas one day. However, I've worn it just to go out for dinner in Florida. I think it really is a very perfect dress. Now, of course, I gravitated, I see, towards blue again. However, it is available in different colors as well. By the way, please let me know if you have a favorite color that you notice that you tend to buy many outfits in. Please let me know down in the comments below. Okay, so now I have a beach cover up, and I think it might be officially called a beach dress, but I really wouldn't wear it as a dress because it is so see-through, but I do think it's an absolutely gorgeous cover up. Now, something that I did want to show you is you can see that the area right around the waist all the way down to sort of around the hip or just below the hip is not exactly see-through like the rest, so it really is very flattering. And of course, it has also these very pretty sleeves. I really love this cover up. I think it is the nicest one that I have ever found. Now, I will show you the bathing suit that I am wearing in that photo. I'm going to show it to you just in another few minutes, along with some different beach and cruise accessories. Now, in real life, when I'm not on a cruise, I actually do wear a lot of black. So I picked up this black sleeveless dress, very casual, very comfy. It does have a little strap that goes around here on the waist. I absolutely love it. And it is available in different colors as well, but it's very light. I absolutely love the fabric, and it is an Amazon essential. Now, another dress that I have in black, and I actually recently bought it in white as well, but I love the black. I've been able to wear this at night. So in the evening, when I do go to dinner, I've worn it during the day as well. When we did have a port day, we were in Boston, and I thought it was really kind of fitting for Boston in the fall. I really like it, and I honestly just find that it is very figure flattering. Okay, so let's move on to some of my favorite Amazon Cruise fashion finds, and especially if you are going on a Caribbean or any warm weather cruise, these are things that you're probably going to want to bring with you. So you're going to want to have a sun hat. I absolutely love this sun hat. I got it for my last cruise. It does have a black ribbon. However, it was available in other colors as well. Now, I was looking for a straw bag. I know that it is very fashionable right now. I love this straw bag. You can see it has a little detail of this nautical blue and white stripes. So I particularly was drawn to that. But I love the sizing of this tote. This was great for in the ports when you don't necessarily want to bring your expensive designer bags. By the way, I did use a very cute hat clip that was able to keep my hat attached to my straw bag or my handbag as I boarded the cruise. Now, this black bathing suit is my current favorite. I really probably have shared this with people more than any other. It is by the brand Cupshe. I've bought a couple of other bathing suits from them, and to be honest, I really do find that they really do make good bathing suits that are overall very flattering. Now, I did see the bathing suit available in small sizes and then plus sizes as well, so I will leave both of those linked down below in the description of this video. Now, when it comes to shoes, I love a tan neutral shoe and in a heel that's not too high so that it's easy to walk in, but because I'm on the short side, I almost always do wear a little heel. So I did get these on Amazon. I absolutely love them. Now, I've had these shoes for a while. However, I did pick up a new pair of sandal heels from Amazon that I wore on my recent cruise that I really loved as well. Now, I hope that this video was helpful and that it at least gave you some ideas and some inspiration of what you might want to pack and wear on a cruise. I will leave all of the items that I did mention in the video. I will leave them linked down below in the description of this video. Now, I will leave a playlist of other cruise outfit videos at the end of this one in case you need more ideas and inspiration. Now, if you did enjoy this video, please do give it a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Bye for now and happy cruising.